YouTube, what's going on? It's your weekend gardener here. I'm doing a little up potting of some peppers, and I wanted to show you something. Real quick video. What I'm doing is I'm moving them to cups. These seeds were actually broadcast spreaded, which means that I just dump the seeds, and wherever they grow, they grow. But I wanted to show you something that one of the only few pests that kind of make me itch, and that's aphids. See if we can get a quick look at them. I'm going to move the camera as close as possible. But along the stem is these little white, opaque, translucent little creatures. And there's a bunch of them right here. Can't stand them little monsters. Alright, there's actually one crawling on my hand, if you can see it on my finger. Yeah, those things give me the willies. But what you're supposed to do is spray your plant with neem oil. Some people use soap. What I was doing was dunking it in water, shaking it around. These are soft-bodied little creatures that ladybugs adore these things. They love gobbling them up, and I believe ants protect them. Ladybugs eat them. So just a quick video, moving everything to pots. These are too big to be in here. Pretty soon the roots are going to be tangling up, and I don't want that. Definitely don't want the aphids in the house, because every time I see one of these little things, I just start itching. So, little quick video on up potting and potential pests. Oh, here's a bunch right here on the way out the door. Look at that. All those little aphids. Yeah, I gotta spray them down. They love this right here. Is, I believe, a cabbage. They love brassicas. They love tomatoes, peppers. Haven't seen them on broccoli yet, but I'm quite sure anything green they love sitting on the underside and on the stem. And what they do is they suck the moisture out of the, I don't know if you want to, yeah, I guess you could call it moisture. They suck the moisture out of plants and cause them to die. You definitely don't want them. You definitely don't want them in a house. Ugh. Here's a little creature right here. Yeah, they gotta go. They're gnats. And then, no, first these, then gnats. I can't stand them. But, little short video, just wanted to share with you. Have a nice day. YouTube, what's going on? Your weekend gardener here. Decided to do a little update on a video of my peppers that I moved out of the small little pan, and I had the aphids all over it. Well, I wanted to give you an update. These are the peppers right here. Ooh, this one's taking a beat. Here's another one. Oh, they're looking good. I think I may move these in ground. I need to figure out what's chewing on the leaves. Usually it's like a grasshopper or something, but I don't see a grasshopper. And I'm not really seeing anything under the leaves. But I may spray. Okay, so here are 3, 4, and here's another pepper, and that's another pepper right there. Those are the orange peppers. And here's, oh, these look real good. Let me see if I can maneuver without breaking my neck. Okay, so here are the peppers right here. This is another purple bell that was in there. This is the orange, and you got these over here. They are looking, actually, they're looking very good. They will look better once I put them in the ground. we can go from there. But I wanted to give a update to that video that I did maybe 3 weeks ago. These have been sitting out here now going on about three weeks. No more than 4, but definitely 3 weeks. I have everything set up over here until I get my garden together on the side. It's still being developed. I don't have my dirt. Yeah. And then I need to organize how I want to put the garden. But that's what it looks like right now. It's a mess. Just like all this stuff right here has to go into the soil, has to go into the dirt. But I just wanted to give you an update on my peppers, how they're looking, and they're looking real good.